Hello there, gardeners. Welcome to Growing with Professor Brown. Today, I'm going to be visiting a friend's balcony garden, a tiny space that proves you don't need much room to grow something beautiful. We're going to plant a tomato, and I'm going to share my favorite tip for tomato plants. Let's go. My friend didn't have any gardening experience, but she wanted to bring a little more life into her space. So about a year ago, we went to a nursery together. We picked out pots, some good soil, a few annuals, and this Disney rose. This rose is still hanging on, and a few months ago we refreshed the rest of the pots with new annuals. Her balcony has become a peaceful place, even in the middle of the apartment complex. Unfortunately, the tomato we planted didn't quite make it. I'm not quite sure what went wrong, but that's gardening. These things happen. So when she invited me over to a barbecue this last weekend, I showed up with a fresh tomato plant and offered to plant it. Tomatoes are a little different from most plants. You can, and actually should, bury part of the stem. I cut off the lower branches, dug a deep hole, and nestled it in so it can grow advantageous roots along the buried stem. I didn't add more fertilizer in the video because we'd already mixed in some starter fertilizer earlier in the season. It's important not to overdo it. I was careful not to disturb the marigold and pepper sharing the pot. They're both doing great. And you might notice that little spike in the middle. That's an Oya spike, a slow-release watering system made from a clay spike and an upside-down wine bottle. It'll help keep things hydrated on hot days or when she's out of town. It only took a few minutes, but now she's got a new tomato and a little more life growing on her balcony. Don't let a small space keep you from gardening. Even a pot of herbs can bring some fresh flavor to your meals and some peace to your day. I hope you all enjoyed this little visit to my friend's balcony garden. We don't always need a huge backyard or a big project. Sometimes just sharing a moment and planting one new thing can be enough. Last week I talked about burnout gardening, how being in the garden helps us heal. And today I want to remind you, gardening with friends is healing too. So plant something, share it, take care of each other. If you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comments what's growing on your balcony or patio right now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.